Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the Samsungs. On one side, we have the budget-friendly Samsung Galaxy A03s, and on the other, the premium powerhouse, the Samsung Galaxy S22. It's David versus Goliath, but who will come out on top? Let's dive in. First up, the price. The Galaxy A03s is priced at a wallet-friendly $87. Reviewers love its affordability, calling it a great deal for the features it offers. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 comes in at a hefty $379. While it's significantly more expensive, reviewers appreciate the high-end features and premium feel. If your wallet is on a diet, the A03s is the clear winner here. Next, let's talk screens. The A03s sports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. Reviewers say it's decent for everyday use, though not exceptional. Meanwhile, the S22 boasts a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. Reviewers rave about its vibrant colors and smooth performance. If you want a screen that's easier on the eyes and the wallet, go with the A03s. But if you want to feel like you're living in the future, the S22 is your ticket. Now, on to performance. The A03s packs a MediaTek MT 6765 Helio P35 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Reviewers mention it's adequate for basic tasks, but struggles with more intensive apps. On the other hand, the S22 is a speed demon with an octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. Reviews highlight its top-tier performance and smooth multitasking. If you need a phone that can keep up with a busy lifestyle, the S22 is the clear choice. Let's talk cameras. The A03s has a triple rear camera setup with a 13-megapixels main shooter, plus a couple of 2-megapixel sensors for depth and macro. Reviewers note that it's good for casual photography, but doesn't excel in low light. Meanwhile, the S22 flaunts a 50MP camera with LED flash and 1080p video recording. Reviewers are impressed with its detailed photos and advanced features. If you're a selfie king or queen, the S22 is your new best friend. Now, battery life. The A03s comes with a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. Reviewers praise its long-lasting battery that can easily get through a day or more. The S22, however, has a smaller battery at 3,700 mAh. While it doesn't last as long, reviewers mention it charges quickly and efficiently. So if you don't want to be constantly searching for a charger, the A03s is your best bet. Summarizing the reviews, the Samsung Galaxy A03s is praised for its affordability, long battery life, and decent performance for everyday tasks. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is lauded for its premium features, vibrant display, and top-tier performance, despite its higher price point. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy A03s is your budget-friendly battery beast, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 is your premium powerhouse performer. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.